Question number 9 of the ID passport exam from PhilNITS. In this question, we are being asked, which of the following is the last file to be put in the drawer? In this question, we also need to know that the desk can hold at most 4 files. So we're talking about the desk, and it can hold at most 4 files. The question is asking us, what is the last file to be put in the drawer? So we also have a drawer, and we also have a last file that is being asked us. Okay. The other thing is there are 6 variations of files, A through F. And the other thing also that we need to know is that when the 5th file is put on the desk, because we can only hold 4 files, the 5th file on the desk, the file that was the longest that have been used and put on the desk would be taken out and put in a drawer. So in that way, we can move along the files. And it's saying too that there is a sequence of files that are put on the desk, and from the desk they go to the drawer. So this is the sequence. The way to solve this, other than first understanding what exactly it's asking us and what are the parts that are gonna be helpful for us, the next thing we need to do is to put a drawing of how we understand the whole system is supposed to work. So in this case, I've drawn here a desk that can hold 4 files, and then a drawer on its right. Now this is the sequence, and we need to see what will be the last file that will be put on the drawer as we go through the sequence. We first put the first 4 on the desk, and then when we need to add a new one, we need to take out the longest that has been here on the desk and put the succeeding ones on its place, moving along the sequence in that manner. And so for the second column, we can already put the 5th file here in the bottom of the files, the list of files that we have on the desk. As we move along, we need to put the C, and so if we want to put C at the bottom, we need to take out the B here and put it on the drawer. So by this third column, what is inside the drawer would be the letter B. And then we put another new file and we take out the C so that we get the new drawer, the new file in the drawer to be C. And then we move along the succeeding files so that we can add the B at the bottom. And then the next is the letter D. We put it at the bottom and then move along the files. So that's why we got E here. And then the next F, move it along, and then letter B. Okay, so if we are to do this until the end, what is the last file that is inside the drawer? And I think what I answered supposedly was C, but there is really no C among the choices. So in this case, we have to do with whatever is the next available answer. And to do that, we need to look at the column before the the column with the C as the answer, and that's why we get the letter E. And we know that the letter E is among the choices. It's actually this one. Letter D has the value letter E as the answer, and um, that's why the answer for this number is letter E. The other thing that I'd like to add is this question is doable, definitely, but it'll take a little bit more time to answer. And I'd suggest that you maybe work on the easier ones first and then come back to this type of question later on. But it's definitely doable, except that you'll need a lot more time to do it. Okay? All right.